Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay. So these are some of the assets that we'll be checking out, and of course, everything I will be doing right here will be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into the chart, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. This has been on downtrend after breaking out from this particular trend line. Okay, it broke out below it and it sold for long, and it was a massive profit. Gave us massive profits right from there. It has gotten to this support zone which I highlighted yesterday night, and of course it has not been able to break out from there, even though it played around there for a while, but it has not been able to break out from there. Okay, and of course, guys, this is now going back into an uptrend. Okay, so just where we have seen this, it just broke out from this particular trend line. Okay, just broke out from here, and of course to buy, and of course we expect it to get to this region, and it is at that point at the moment. Okay, so once it breaks out from here, then we should expect it at this point. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, this is 15-minute time frame. In case you guys are wondering, this is 15 minutes time frame, so you can highlight all these zones, okay, for your TPs. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so you guys can take advantage of that. So we should expect more buying opportunity right from there, except if it's unable to break out from the resistance zone. So the next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, still on 15 minutes time frame. Okay, and of course this actually got to this support region, I mean to this resistance zone, and was unable to break out above it. So it started a downtrend right from there. And of course, kept on selling and selling. And of course, I drew out this trend line just to show us that it will or it may likely get there. Okay, so and it finally got there before going back up. Okay, so after this pullback, we still expect it to sell more, probably try out this trend line again. If it breaks out below it, good. If it does not, then it will go back up to the upper part of the trend line. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment, except if it's unable to break out below that trend line, that is when it's going to buy more. Okay, so we should watch out for that. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, now let's check it out. This is Paynex 1200. This actually broke out from here at this point. Okay, I always tell you to always draw out your trend line. Okay, it broke out from here at this point to give us more selling opportunity, and you can see because we are trading the trend, it has actually given us the trend signal at this point if you are using the trading tool. And of course, right here is the trend line which I asked you to draw, because once it gets here, it's most likely for it to push back, and that was what happened around here. Pushed back, and of course um came back down to break out below it, and at that point it sold more. Okay, so this gave us a good selling opportunity, and of course it is at this support region. If it breaks out below it, it's still going to sell more. If it does not, it's going to go back on uptrend, but for now it is still selling. So the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, let's check it out together. This is Paynex 999, still on 15-minute time frame. And of course, this actually got to this support zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on uptrend. Okay, even though it has been playing around here, this region, and also this region. Okay, so this had been like that for a while. Okay, so you can watch out for that and see if it's going to break out either below this or above this. If it breaks out below this, then it is coming down to the daily time frame, to the support zone on the daily time frame. But if it breaks out above it, then definitely to give us more buying opportunity at that point. Okay, so we should watch out for that. For now, it is selling till it gets to this. If it breaks out from here, good. If it does not, it will go back up to the upper part of the channel. Okay, so let me put sell for now. It might not be for long in case it's unable to break out from there, and if it breaks out it sells more. Okay, so we should take note of that because it is selling for now. That is why I'm putting that sell there. Okay, so this is FX volume 80, okay, on 15-minute time frame. Also, I also did this analysis earlier today, and of course I'm able to map out this, and of course this actually sold till it got to this region, had a major pullback, and right from there it came down to break out below this support zone, and it is still selling at the moment. If I should zoom out a bit, you can see this is the target. It's trying to target this, okay, this region, guys, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so this is where the target is. Okay, so we expect it to sell it to this region, and if it breaks out from here, then we have more opportunity to sell more. But if it does not, then it will go back up on uptrend. Okay, so this is still more selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So that, guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.